Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan, and if you're new here, I'm doing the DCP Spring of 2019. I only have 1 week left of my Disney College program, so I thought it would be fun if I brought you along to my work locations. I did quick service food and beverage in Fantasyland, so I worked at 4 different locations, and I thought it would be fun if you guys come along, and we're going to try all of my favorite foods, and I'm going to show you my favorite things at my location. So let's go! Giant cinnamon rolls, so let's go get it. So the first thing we got is this giant cinnamon roll. Melting in the Locations-Qsfb. It's already melting. Jensen is about to try her first cinnamon roll.
This is a really big bite, actually.
Go. Is it good? So this is the Locations-Qsfb. It's frozen apple juice, toasted marshmallow, and mango popcorn foam. So good. And I got it in the souvenir pack. So good. And this is how big it is. Come back! Guess what? And a frozen lemonade. So let's go. Up at Friar's Nook, I got the creamy bacon mac and cheese. It looks so good. I've tried it before, but it is very good. And then a lemonade slushie, and Jensen got a hot dog. Try my creamy bacon mac and cheese. I've got a hot dog. So good. It's basically just mac and cheese tossed and bacon. It usually comes with sour cream, but get it?
She's very plain. She doesn't like anything.
Okay, so my next location is one of my favorites with treats. I'm gonna get my favorite ice cream, which is the dairy free dough whip. So I'm gonna get the Lost Princess cone, and Jensen's gonna get the cookie sundae. Here is my Lost Princess cone. Princess cone has lemon dough whip, 2 edible flowers, and a purple cake. I have the cookie sundae.
It has Mickey
It's already
sprinkles.
melting.
I know, it's already melting.
Hers is vanilla ice cream, hot fudge, whipped cream, chocolate chip cookie, and Mickey sprinkles. This is so good. I say it tastes like
Where? Just lick it?
it's like frozen lemonade and ice cream form.
Oh, that actually is really good.
Enjoy our ice cream and then ride Thunder Mountain. I didn't work there a lot, only like twice on my program. There's like turkey legs, pretzels. It's basically like an outdoor market, and we're gonna go get a snack. Okay, so I got the Witch's Frozen Brew. I've actually never tried this. It's Coke slushie, lemonade slushie, and then comes of green apple, cherry, raspberry, and I think watermelon. And then it has a candy straw. I'm a little nervous, but. That is like all sugar. I can't even swallow it.
It's disgusting.
I'm gonna say this is a hard
Wait,
pass.
maybe we're just drinking.
Maybe we should mix it around.
Maybe we should like lift it up. That was really
Just
bad.
look, all the syrup is at the bottom.
That was really bad.
Let's try it again.
Maybe just get the icy. Does it taste the same?
I think I taste the green apple. Will I try
Oh my god, that's
picture it?
disgusting.
So we went to all 4 of my work locations and tried all of my favorite foods, except I've never tried anything from Prince Eric's Market, and the Witch's Brew was probably not something I would get again, but all the other things are my favorite. So I can't believe I only have 1 week left working at the Magic Kingdom. I'm so excited to announce what's happening next, which will probably be my next video, but if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and I had a lot of fun, and thanks for my sister. Bye guys! Bye from the Magic Kingdom!